Yeah, it is. Okay, so I guess now she's going to teach us how to do scientific notation when we have numbers that are decimals. Okay, number 3. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to tell you that this is in your math packets that you got from Hope. This is on page 7. So if you look at it, you'll find number 3, which is 0.02, so that you can follow along with the problems as well. So, okay, so we're going to get the 2 from right there, because remember that we always have to, our digit has to be between 1 and 10. So 0 is not between 1 and 10. So we have to get the 2. So 2 times 10 to the negative 2. Why negative 2? Okay. There's, okay, 2 zeros. And we're going to the left. Miss Leslie, really? Again with your pens? Ooh, that's a pretty number line. Okay. Oh yeah, that's right. She explained to me something about the number line, and if you're going one way, then that means your exponent is positive, and if you're going to the left, that means your exponent is negative. So she's saying after your number, yeah. Don't tell her, guys, because she's gonna fire me. I don't remember. But essentially, all you have to remember is that if you have zeros in front of your number that you have to find, that you're gonna use for your scientific notation, then it's gonna be a negative exponent. If you have zeros in front of the number that falls between 1 and 10, then it's going to be a negative exponent. Just remember that, okay? Don't tell her I said that. Okay, so she's giving us an example. So if it was 0.03, then it's going to be 3 times 10 to the negative 2. Okay, so because we get the 3, and it's going to be in front. And the way that if you have zeros in front of that, remember we established it's going to be a negative exponent. But you get the number 2 because there's 2 zeros in front of that 3. So, geez, Miss Leslie really takes a long time. Okay, so here's a perfect example. So right now, she has 4 zeros in front of the 2. So we're going to start with the 2 times 10. It's always 10, guys. It's a pattern. You guys are smart. You got this. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 zeros. So we're going to the left. And there's zeros in front. So we know it's going to be a negative, and there's 4 of them. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. That doesn't make sense, I'm going to get fired. And I do not want to be fired. I like you guys. She's told me great things about you guys. Hello? Miss Leslie? Are you there? Guys, I think she went on a coffee break. Oh, okay. Where are we going? What is she doing, guys? Oh, are we done? Oh, we're done, guys. Okay, that was easy. I hope you guys understand it. Okay, so now we're going to go into the thousands. Okay, so how do we find the scientific, or how do we write a number in the thousands in scientific notation? That made no sense. But yeah, oh my goodness. What is she doing? Her and these pens. Somebody gave her too much fun. Okay, so number 9, which is in your packet as well, has 35,710. Okay, so how would we write that in scientific notation? If by this point you know how to figure it out, you are truly smart. If not, that's okay. That's why we're here. We're all here to learn and be positive. Okay, I don't know why she's underlining these numbers. Oh, now she's drawing a box around the 3. Okay, 3.571 times 10. Hello, are you there? Oh, in order to find your exponent, just like we did for the negative one, you have to figure out how many numbers there is after the decimal. So we have 4 numbers after that 3 that we brought down. Okay, and we go to the other side. Remember that number line that we remember? But the point is, there's no zeros in front of it, so we know it's going to be a positive exponent. So there's 4. Okay, and she didn't write the 0 at the end because we have 10, so we don't really need that. But, okay, so here's an example, another example. So if you have 85,872, so can you think of what it is? Okay, 8.5872. See, right here we didn't need to write out the 2 because it doesn't end in a closed 10 number. I don't know, I just want to sound smart. Okay, plus times 10, and then it's positive, and there's 4 numbers as well. So our exponent is going to be 4. This is easy, guys. Okay, 96,378. Okay, perfect. Oh, okay. Do you know what it is? See, try it out. See if you can get that. You're probably going to have to go back and pause it because Miss Cecily didn't give you time, but go back and pause it, figure it out, and that's what you're going to, part of the work that you're going to submit, okay? What the answer is, to make sure that we're both doing a good job. Guys, don't forget, my job depends on this, so please make sure you get it right. Uh-oh. Guys, we don't know what happened to the rest of the video. Miss Ashley recorded it, but I don't know where it went. You know, remember how she's new at all of this program and making videos? Yeah, well, it's okay. We'll record it again. But meanwhile, make sure you go back to your packets and that you start working on the problems. You should be able to get through all of them or most of them with the examples that we taught you today. Also, give me some feedback. What can I do better? Should I go faster? Should I go slower? Tell me what I should do. But be nice, because remember, the only one that can roast is me. And, well, sometimes Miss Ashley. But otherwise, be nice. If you're not nice, I'm gonna roast you. Okay, well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! I love you!